Welcome to my channel, and if you like flooring videos, you've come to the right place. Please subscribe. So let's cover up these shiny tiles. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to use this floor grinder, and what we're going to do is we're going to scratch up the surface because they're very highly polished. Plus, it's a kitchen with a lot of grease and fat that's been on the floor. So this does two jobs: scratches it up and gets rid of any grease or grime. Next up, we're going to use this primer, and it's called P141, and it's by manufacturer Stopgap. Now this is for non-absorbent subfloors. What that means basically means that something was not going to soak up. So these tiles are not going to soak up any moisture, are they? They're really shiny and no water's going to penetrate them. So we have to use this. It's an acrylic primer and it's got grout in it. So it's got bits of sand or bits of chippings or something in it, where it goes off, and that helps the latex grab to them. And what we do is we just roll it all over nice and neat. We don't obviously add any water to it because it ain't gonna go off. Next, we latex. I'm gonna use the same manufacturer for the latex, which is Stopgap. This is Stopgap 1200. It's a really good latex and we use it all the time. So we just put a nice coat over all the tiles, which will make it nice and smooth and ready for the top to go on. If you want to see this in more depth, then there's plenty of videos on my channel. This is the latex all finished. Looks like a sheet of glass. So the next day, when the latex is all dry, we will sand it down, and that basically gets rid of any trial marks or any deviations with the floor, and basically gives you a nice surface to glue to. Next, you glue it out after you mark it out, which I didn't video, but I do have videos on my channel of how to mark out, so check those out. So I'm using a HT, which is a high temperature adhesive, so when the sun comes in through the back door, it won't affect the tiles. So I'm going to spread it out with an A2 trowel. Now comes the time to lay the tiles. Now this tile's got a lace with it to look like grout, and the joints are staggered in a brick pattern. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. And when you're done, it will look like this. Now, if you like this video, please consider on giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for the next lot of videos. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.